Did you think you were fooling anyone? You leave the house during the day and assume us cats are none the wiser. However, we are quite aware of what you do outside the home. Allow me to edify you with facts. Of course, the first thing on your list is to secure additional kibble and cans of tuna. Typically, this fails, but every once in a while you manage to find a bit of food. Next, you fight off the hordes of veterinarians who are pressuring you to bring us to them. Do not succumb to their wily ways, avoid the needles. Finally, you ensure that the sun will continue providing ample sunbeams in our home so we may be properly soothed into our midday naps. Well done, humans. You have earned the right to return home. But remember, you're not the only one with a busy day. Often we are so exhausted with our naps that we don't even recognize you when you walk through the door. Such is the life of a cat and of our human companions. You are welcome.